In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple monitors or dual monitors on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be if there was any accompanying installation media that came with your monitor, I'd recommend inserting that and installing it onto your device. If you didn't have any and just want to use the built-in Windows Monitor Find feature, I'm going to show you how to do that in today's tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just select the Start button and then search for Settings. Best result, should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select System on the left panel up at the top. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select where it says Display. Select that. And then scrolling down again, and then where it says multiple displays, choose the presentation mode for your displays. Click the drop down for that. Select the detect button, and then hopefully if everything's connected properly, it should appear. And then you can also keep your multiple display preferences selected here. And if you wanted to adjust those settings later, you can also select advanced display and then select the correct display from the list here, the drop down at the top. And you can adjust options below. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.